Hello, my name is Annie Sue, and I'm a digital solution consultant at ServiceNow for the IT Asset Management, or ITAM, solution. At ServiceNow, we are continuously innovating to provide best-in-class technology for our customers. Today, I'll be going over the new features coming out in San Diego release for Software Asset Management, or SAM. In this Tech Bite, we'll discuss what's new in the San Diego release. The enhancements coming out for software asset management include IT asset offboarding, content library portal, virtual agent for software requests, and reservation plans for cloud insights. With ServiceNow's software asset management, you can reduce your technology expenses by gaining visibility into your organization's assets and knowing where these assets are being used. Software asset management allows you to avoid unbudgeted costs from compliance audits, policy obligations, and unmanaged cloud. Secondly, SAM can reduce asset risk by leveraging software intel to quickly respond to vulnerabilities and remove restricted installs. Finally, you can automate the full technology lifecycle, track software allocations, and automate the offboarding process of software allocations for employees. Within the San Diego release for software asset management, one of the new features is the content library portal, which is included in SAM Professional and SAM Enterprise. Customers need a simpler way to access asset data and easily navigate all product information. The content library portal serves as a centralized portal to search for technology asset content of your most critical software vendors. Customers can search for relevant information such as lifecycle dates, versions, part numbers, downgrades, and more. Let's take a look. On the Software Asset Workspace, under Content Lookup, here is where you can find the Content Library portal. As you can see, you can view content by category, as well as search software product names, model IDs, or publisher part numbers. Let's take a look at Microsoft. From here, you can see that we can filter our results, as well as drill down into each one of these results. I can see that this one is currently active. And continuing to look into Microsoft 365, I can see details about this particular result, as well as software versions, publisher part numbers, and software product lifecycles as applicable. With intelligent search and AI technology, you can quickly search for content and confirm coverage in your most critical use cases, whether it's to search for a product end of life or end of service date, or to normalize discovery data quickly. The next feature coming out in the San Diego release is the virtual agent for software asset management. The user experience in requesting software can involve high lead times and multiple manual steps that slow down the services that make your software available to you. Customers need a simplified way for the employees to request software and track the request. With assistance from the virtual agent, the software request process becomes automated and enables end user self-service to speed up delivery time. Requesting software can be an omni-channel experience using virtual agent, the service catalog, service portal, or via mobile. Software auto allocation and auto installation are possible via client software distribution for requests made through virtual agent. Virtual agent for software requests is an available feature with ITSM Pro virtual agent combined with either SAM Pro or SAM Enterprise. I'm currently logged in as an employee Jamie Smith, and I'm on the employee-centered portal. From here, I'm going to go ahead and open a conversation with the virtual agent. Today, I'm looking to request Visual Studio. I go ahead and type Visual Studio. And the virtual agent prompts me if I want to request it or if I want something else. I'm going to go ahead and click Request. This opens a request page that the user can review for both cost of the license as well as the time it would take to deliver. Now, Jamie can submit this request. I can go ahead and click Order Now. And I can see that my request has been submitted. Jamie can easily request any software that she needs directly from the Employee Center portal. Additionally, the asset manager who approves these requests can also see the request that Jamie has submitted, thus creating a one-stop shop for any of Jamie's employees' needs. Another feature coming out in the San Diego release is IT asset offboarding. This is included in SAM Professional and SAM Enterprise. Businesses need a simplified way to track the full asset offboarding process to get the most value out of hardware and software assets. Employing offboarding processes can involve many steps, typically with a lot of manual work and inefficiencies in the asset lifecycle. This can result in improper asset use, lack of recycling or reusage, and exposure to sensitive data through software. With ServiceNow's software asset management, asset managers can automate the uninstallation of software and proper removal of license allocations and SaaS subscriptions to users during asset offboarding. Currently, we are logged in as Casey Kuhn, our asset manager. Casey Kuhn goes to the asset reclamation requests, and we can see the one for Ali Pumphrey, who has recently left the company. Taking a look at this particular request, we can see the software asset reclamation lines. As we continue to drill down, we can see revoke user license allocations, as well as single sign-on access, SAP access, and revoking user subscriptions. We can continue looking into the user subscriptions. And here we can see all of the removal candidates created for the various products that were originally assigned to Ali. From here, of course, you can kick off reclamation workflows for the appropriate licenses. The out-of-the-box offboarding workflow for asset reclamation, including hardware asset management and software asset management, allows your team to leverage the workflow to reduce manual tasks and make sure to capture every detail as somebody leaves the company. In the San Diego release for software asset management, Reservation Plans is a new feature coming out for Cloud Insights, which is available with SAM Enterprise. Let's go ahead and take a look. We are currently looking at reserved instance recommendation. Here we can see recommendations and savings predictions, as well as your spend and savings from reservations, and the total for the next 30-day potential savings. Customers need cloud usage visibility when determining discount pricing with cloud providers on reserved instances compared to costly on-demand computing prices. There may be difficulties understanding how much compute capacity is needed, either underutilizing or underpurchasing. With reservation planning, cloud administrators can optimize spend by making use of savings and discount plans for committed cloud resources. New opportunities to purchase reserved instances can be found based on usage trends, and suggestions can be made to ensure utilization best matches business needs. This concludes the high-level overview of new features in the Now Platform San Diego release for software asset management. A full list of additional features and changes for existing products can be found at our product documentation website at docs.servicenow.com. Here you can find helpful information to upgrade to San Diego. Please remember to review the release notes from your current version of the platform to the San Diego release. Release notes can help you determine whether items you have customized are being upgraded. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to check out our other San Diego release sessions.